እንደምን አላችሁ ውድ ተማሪዎች በዛሬው ዕለት የምናየው የ11ኛ ክፍል የሂስትሪ ትምህርትን ዩኒት 7 ነው። የዩኒት 7 ፓርት 2 እናያለን ማለት ነው ለዛሬ። ዩኒት 7 states principalities population movements and interactions in Ethiopia from 13th to mid 16th century የሚል ነው ይሄ ቶፒክ። ስለዚህ እዚህ ቶፒክ ላይ በአጠቃላይ 90 ጥያቄዎች ተዘጋጅተዋል። እነዚህ 90 ጥያቄዎች ለክፍላችሁ የፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም የሚያግዙ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ስለዚህ እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች አብረን እንሰራለን። ሌሎች የትምህርት አይነቶችንም እንደዚሁ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ እየሰራን እንገኛለን እንደ ጂኦግራፊ እና ኢኮኖሚክስ ከ9ኛ እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች በመሰሩበት ሰዓት ጥሩ የፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲያግዟችሁ የተዘጋጁ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሆኑ አብረን እንቀጥላለን። እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች እና ሌሎች በርካታ ሞዴል ኤግዛሞችን የያዘ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። የአጋዥ መጽሐፍ በፒዲኤፍ ሶፍት ኮፒ የተዘጋጀ ነው። ይህንን በቴሌግራም አድራሻችን ለእናንተ ፎርዋርድ እናደርጋለን። ለበለጠ መረጃ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጠው አድራሻ ኮንታክት አድርጉን። ለአሁኑ ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እንሂድ። 31 which of the following was the primary gateway for the spread of Islam into the interior of the Ethiopian region? A. The Red Sea coast. B. The port of Zaila. C. The Dahlak Islands. D. The port of Mazawa. Okay, B. The port of Zaila. Okay, while initially Islam spread through the Red Sea coastal areas and Dahlak Islands, the port of Zaila became the primary gateway ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ primary gateway የሚባለው ፖርት ዘይላ ነው። ሌሎችም ቢኖሩ this is the primary gateway. 32 what were the two main factors that contributed to the emergence of the Muslim Sultanate in the Ethiopian region? A. Military conquests and trade. B. The expansion of trade and Islam. C. Christian missionary activities and trade. D. Agricultural advancements and population growth. Okay, B. The expansion of trade and Islam. Okay, so the growth of trade and the spread of Islam played the crucial role in the rise of Muslim Sultanate along the trade routes. የትሬድ ራውትስ የሚባለው ዘይላ አካባቢ የነበረው ማለት ነው። 33 which was the earliest Muslim Sultanate in Ethiopia region? A. Adal. B. Fas. C. Shawa. D. Hadiya. C. Shawa. The Shawa was the earliest of the Muslim Sultanates in Ethiopia region. So before the rise of Ifat እና other sultanate የነበረ ማለት ነው። 34 what title was used by the rulers of the Muslim sultanates? A. King. B. Negus. C. Emir. D. Sultan. Okay, D. Sultan. Okay, so the rulers of these Muslim states were known as the sultans, were reflected their combined political and religious authority ማለት ነው። ሁለቱም ፖለቲካዊም ሃይማኖታዊም ስልጣን የነበራቸው ማለት ነው። 35 which trade route played a crucial role in the rise of consolidation of the Muslim sultanates? A. The Swahili coast trade route. B. The Trans-Saharan trade route. C. The Zaila trade route. D. The Nile River trade route. Okay, C. The Zaila trade route. Okay, so this Zaila trade route facilitated economic and cultural interactions. 36 why was the Sultanate of Ifat considered a powerful state in the Ethiopian region? A. It was the first Muslim Sultanate. B. It had control over the Red Sea trade routes. C. It was strategically located along the Zaila trade route. D. It was aligned with the Christian island kingdom. C. It was strategically located along the Zaila trade route. 37 who was the first historically known ruler for the Sultanate of Ifat? A. Ahmed Zion, B. Umar Walasma, C. Sabr ad-Din, D. Ahmed Quran. Okay, B. Omar Walasma. Okay, the Omar Walasma, contemporary of the king of Yikno Amlak, was the founder of the Walasma dynasty that ruled the Ifat. 38 which Christian king launched military campaigns against the Sultanate of Ifat? A. King Libna Dingil, B. King Sarsa Dingil, C. King Ahmed Zion, D. King Ba'eda Maryam. You see, King Ahmed Zion. Okay, the King Ahmed Zion launched the campaign to weaken the Ifat's influence, defeated Sultanate Sabardan ማለት ነው። 39 what was the main economic activity of the Muslim Sultanate in the Ethiopian region? A. Fishing, B. Trade, C. Agriculture, D. Mining. Okay, trade. Okay, ስለዚህ trade ላይ ነው more Muslim Sultanates የነበራቸው ተሳትፎ ማለት ነው። While some communities practiced mixed farming, the economy of the Sultanate primarily depended on the trade ማለት ነው። 40 which Sultanate was located in the most westerly territory of the Ethiopian region? A. Adal, B. Ifat, C. Hadiya, D. Bari. C. Hadiya. So the Hadiya Sultanate was located further west than the Muslim Sultanates. Okay, the Muslim states ማለት ነው። It's reaching far as the Gibi River. 41 what title was used by the ruler of the Sultanate of the Hadiya and Bali? A. Negus, B. Garad, C. Amir, D. Sultan. Okay, B. Garad. Okay, unlike the Ifat and Adal, where rulers held the title Sultan, ማነው ኢፋትና አዳል ሱልጣን ነበር የሚባለው። then Hadiya and Bali rulers known as the Garads ማለት ነው። 42 why did the Christian kings attempt to form political marriages with the ruling family of Hadiya? A. to convert them to Christianity, B. to prevent European colonization, C. to secure their loyalty and prevent rebellion, D. to expand their agricultural territories. C. to secure their loyalty and prevent rebellion. 43 what was the primary reason for the frequent rebellions of the Hadiya against the Christian Highland Kingdom? A. religious conflicts, B. opposition of the to paying the tribute, C. trade disputes, D. border conflicts with Adal. B. opposition of paying tribute. Okay, the Hadiya frequently rebel against Christian rulers to resist the tributary obligations imposed by the Christian kingdom. 44 what was the significance of Queen Mother Eleni in Ethiopian history? A. she led military campaign against Muslim sultanates. B. she was a diplomat and played a key role in state politics. C. she was the first female ruler of Ethiopia. D. she converted Ethiopia to Christianity. B. she was diplomat and played a key role in state politics. 45 what ultimately led to the decline of Hadiya as a sultanate? A. the conquest by the Christian Highland Kingdom. B. pressure from the expanding Mecha Oromo. C. decline in trade with Zaila. D. a series of droughts and famines. B. Pressure from the expanding Mecha Oromo. Because the final, the rebellion of the Hariya occurred during King Sarsadingil's reign, okay? 46, which Ethiopian king reduced the kingdom of Gojam to tributary status in the early 14th century? A. King Dawit. B. King Livna Dingil. C. King Amda Tzion. D. King Iskender. C. King Amda Tzion, okay? King Amda Tzion from 1314 to 44 campaigned against the Gojam around and reduced it to tributary status. 47, which ethnic group predominantly inhabited the kingdom of Gojam? A. Oromo. B. Amara. C. Agaw. D. Somali. B. Amara. So the kingdom of Gojam was primarily inhabited by the Amara people, one of the people's major Semitic speaking groups with a strong presence in the northern central highlands. 48, what was the major socio-economic role of the kingdom of Inaria? A. Center of the Islamic learning. B. Major source of gold for trade. C. Major agricultural producer of barley. D. Capital of the Christian Highland Kingdom. B. The major source of gold for trade. Okay, the kingdom of Inaria was the crucial source of the pure gold, okay, which was exported as far as Egypt. 49, what happened to the state of Bizamo with the arrival of the Mecha Oromo in the 16th century? A. It expanded the dominated neighboring politics. B. It was completely destroyed and abandoned. C. Its population either fled, retreated, or was assimilated. D. It allied with the Mecha Oromo to fight the Christian kingdom. Okay, C. Its population either fled, retreated, or was assimilated. Okay, so the arrival of the Mecha Oromo led to the dispersion of the Bizamo population. Some fled to Gojam, others moved westwards, while the remaining population was assimilated. 50. What was the significance of the Queen Eleni in the history of Gojam? A. She resisted Christian expansion into Gojam. B. She rebuilt the monastery of the Merto Mariam. C. She led military campaign against Christian kingdom. D. She was the first female ruler of Gojam. B. She rebuilt the monastery of the Merto Mariam. Okay. 51. What was the title used by the ruler of the polity of Waji in the 15th century? A. Sultan. B. Tatu. C. Garad. D. Katus. Okay, B. Tatu. Okay, Tatu, the 15th century ruler of polity of Waji የሚባለው ማለት ነው። Region located in the southwestern Ethiopian highlands were known as the title Tatu ማለት ነው። 52. Which factor contributed to the expansion of the Islam in the Gans during the 1530s? A. The influence of Queen Eleni. B. Military campaign by Imam Muhammad. C. The construction of new trade routes. D. Resistance from the Christian Highland Kingdom. Okay, B. Military campaigns by Imam Ahmad. Okay, so Islam spread further in the 1530s ማለት ነው። 53. What was the primary reason behind the wars between Imam Ahmad and the Christian Highland Kingdom? A. Religious conflict between Islam and Christianity. B. Disputes over trade routes and territorial control. C. Revenge for the days of the Emir Mahfuz. D. The spread of Oromo influence in the region. Okay, A. Religious conflict between the Islam and Christianity. 54. What major defensive structure did the Konga states build in the 16th and 17th centuries? A. Castles. B. Trenches and stone for fortifications. C. Walled cities. D. Underground tunnels. Okay, B. The trenches and stone fortification. Okay. 55. What was the primary language family spoken by the Gonga people? A. Cushitic. B. Semitic. C. Omotic. D. Nilo-Saharan. C. Omotic. Okay, the Gonga people spoke Omotic language including Kafi Nunu, Sheke Nunu, and Amphilo and Shinasha. Okay. 56. Which historical figure played a key role in uniting the Afar, Somali, and Harari group against the Christian Highland Kingdom? A. Emir Mahfuz. B. King Amdasion. C. Imam Ahmed ibn Ibrahim al-Ghazi. D. King Livna Dingil. Okay, C. The Imam Ahmed ibn Ibrahim al-Ghazi. Okay. 57. Which trade port was a major point of the contention between the Adal and the Christian Highland Kingdom? A. Zamzawa. B. Mogadishu. C. Berbera. D. Zaila. Okay, D. Zaila. Okay, Zaila. The struggle over the control of Zaila, crucial trade port, was one of the key reasons behind the conflict between the Sultanate of Adal and the Christian Kingdom. 58. Which Oromo subgroup eventually defeated the Kingdom of the Inaria? A. Mecha Oromo. B. Tulema Oromo. C. Limu Oromo. D. Arsi Oromo. Okay, C. Zalimu Oromo. Okay, Zalimu Oromo. It's subgroup of the Mecha Oromo ultimately defeated the Kingdom of Inaria and renamed it Limu Inaria. 59. What was the fate of the Emir Mahfuz, the powerful ruler of the Adal and Zaila? A. He was assassinated by his rivalry. B. He was defeated and killed by King Livna Dingil's army. C. He was executed by the Ottoman Turks. D. He surrendered and converted to Christianity. Okay, B. He was defeated and killed by King Livna Dingil's army. 60. Okay, this is the last question of the day. What was the impact of the Mecha Oromo migration in the late 16th century on the Gonga people? A. The Gonga completely assimilated the Mecha Oromo. B. The Gonga people were forced to migrate or adapt. C. The Gonga people conquered the Mecha Oromo. D. The Gonga and Mecha Oromo formed a unified kingdom. B. The Gonga people were forced to migrate or adapt. Okay, so the Mecha Oromo expansion pushed many Gonga groups westward, leading to the displacement and adaptation of the various communities ማለት ነው። ኦኬ የዛሬው ጥያቄና መልስ ይሄን ይመስላል። በዚህ ጨርሰናል ፓርት 2 ማለት ነው። ፓርት 3 እንቀጥላለን። ሌሎች የትምህርት አይነቶችንም እንደዚሁ እየሰራን እንቀጥላለን። ኢኮኖሚክስ እና ጂኦግራፊን ጨምሮ ከ9 እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል ማለት ነው። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሆኖ አብረን እንቀጥላለን። የጥያቄዎችን መልስና ከማብራሪያ ጋር የያዘ ጥያቄዎችን መልስ እንደገና ማብራሪያ ያለው አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። ለክፍላችሁ የፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም የሚያግዛችሁ መጽሐፍ ነው። ይህን መጽሐፍ በፒዲኤፍ ወይም ደግሞ በሶፍት ኮፒ መግዛት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጠው አድራሻ ኮንታክት አድርጉን። በሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑ።